perfect friend? Who? But that's just a machine. I see that button turns it on. Goodness! Pato, that machine made another you. It looks as if you really have found the perfect friend, Pato. Someone just like you. Oh dear, you two want to play with the same thing. Another Pato? What will you two play? This seems more like it. You're right. These Patos didn't make such good friends after all. Maybe this one will be perfect. Aha! Watering flowers, a favourite pursuit. That Pato likes watering as much as you do. Oh, I suppose that Pato has heard your joke before, Pato. It seems this Pato wants to watch your other favourite channel. Another Pato? Oh dear, the Pato copy has copied himself. Pato, is this machine really helping you get what you want? You say those other Patos are selfish? They only want to play their way? Oh dear. Oh, perhaps this machine wasn't the best idea after all. Pocoyo, Ellie, Pato has, well, a slight problem here. Can any of you tell Pocoyo and Ellie where to look to see the problem?
Behind you! They're behind you!
Patos everywhere! Oh, they're out of control! What can we do? Think. You got an idea? Oh, do hurry. Oh, please hurry. Quick. The machine, of course. Oh, dear. Do you think Pocoyo should press the button to turn the machine off?
Yes, push the button.